Ethereal Glow Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. Discover the ultimate in nail artistry. Dive into a world of vibrant hues and subtle tones, and let your nails become a canvas for your imagination. This kit comes with 100 color gels. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply these 3 color gels on nail plates. Use the dotting pen to create the swirl effect. Cure for 60 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and create the swirl effect. Then cure for another 60 seconds. Leave some color gel on a clean, empty plate. Use the liner brush to draw irregular lines. Cure for 60 seconds. Top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.